Hello, everybody. This is the month of February coming, and Valentine is nearby. So, I would like to send a message out there to maintenance managers, reliability engineers, plant managers that how we can give our bearings the love they deserve. In the absence of love and attention, the bearings suffer. Varnish builds up on their surfaces, hot spots occur, your bearings will not thrive without in-spec quality of your lubricants. They cannot perform their jobs. And let's say in this Valentine time, we can help our bearings and show them their love they deserve and invest on a lubricant conditioning system like SVR from EPT that it is backed up by the patented ICB ion exchange technology to remove varnish and oxidation materials all the time from our bearing surfaces. So let us show the bearings the love they deserve in this Valentine Day.